my gosh. It's so hard to talk right now. I can't talk.
Okay, don't talk. Want some milk? So, since we're stuck inside with this hurricane, we are going to do something kind of fun inside, a little game, a challenge, and let's see who can get the most points. What the kids are going to be doing is, I have this plate of tiny pancakes, right? There we go, now you can see it. And then they set up these bowls with different point values. So what they're going to do is they're going to sit up here and they're going to try and toss them into these bowls. And whoever gets the most points wins. Are you ready for this challenge?
Yes.
Let's do it. It's getting all set. Are you ready, sir?
Yes.
Who do you think's going to win this?
Me, obviously.
Why is that? What previous skills do you have that are going to help you win today?
Accuracy, speed, and just being awesome in general.
Okay, all right, he's got a stack of pancakes. Let's see him do this.
Before we get started, is there like a special time limit?
Nope, you can toss them all in and we'll see what happens.
All right. Just
All right.
one at a time?
Yeah. Well, whatever you want, whatever your strategy is.
All right.
That is way too hard, bro.
Nope.
Go. Come on, toss it.
Crap.
Oh, okay.
A little more to the side.
Got a good feel for it now.
Huh?
Got a feel for it.
Can I do like 3 more, 4 each?
You can toss as many as you want. I think there is 32 of them.
Oh my gosh.
Get in there. Oh, that one was so close. That one was like a centimeter off. Get in there.
Oh,
Get
go for
in
the bigger ones. You're not going to get any points. Maybe we should do practice now.
Yes, you won't get any points at all.
Try some like basketball.
Oh,
How does that even happen?
Oh.
I'm doing a thing. It's really hard to do it with these little pancakes.
Yeah. Oh. No, oh, don't get too crazy. Oh.
Oh my gosh, that technically got in. That counts as 200.
That counts.
Okay, we'll count it.
200?
So that's 200. So
215.
215.
Are you done? Oh, you got a couple more? Hold on. Wait.
I can't get up.
Fail.
Alright.
I'm gonna start picking this up.
It's like,
275.
Wait, what?
275?
watch
Yes,
out.
he
Let
moves.
him finish. We'll count at the end. Oh.
Yes,
What
he's
in her
2,000 points.
Here.
Yes, he's 2,000 points. Yeah.
No. Okay.
That's over 300 points.
2, 3, 4.
200.
No, Kai.
315.
I'm
Alright, Kai got 315 on this round.
winning.
Let's see what Yazzie gets. Thank
No,
you,
I got more.
Yazzie. Jasmine, are you ready to do this challenge?
Yep.
Who do you think's gonna win?
Me.
And what prior skills do you have that are gonna help you win?
I'm a good gymnast.
Oh, okay. She's gonna use her gymnastics skills.
My horrible
I'm a better
toughness
gymnast.
skills.
Here we go. Let's do this. Oh, more tornado warnings?
Oh, yeah.
No, you cannot eat it.
Those
You
might have
lose
been on the
points.
floor.
We missed one.
Uh-oh.
2.
Still light out, but it's raining. Come on, Pepperhead.
Okay. Okay.
Here she goes, folks.
And she's not even close. Oh, nope. Why did she eat it?
I went hit the wall. We'll count it. That one just hopped right out.
I got 50 points.
It's Kai from Channel 6 News, and today Yazzie is losing horribly at a game of Toss the Pancake. As you can see,
That counts.
That counts. We counted Kai.
yeah. But as you can see,
250.
I am obviously gonna win because I am just better at everything. Yazzie.
You're so. You got that on camera.
Yeah.
Kai back.
No.
And today, Yazzie currently has 250 points. Will she get to 315 or more?
Let's find out. She looks focused.
Crap.
Not even close.
I still have a ton more.
Come on, girl.
Not even close. Failed miserably.
Announcer. Shush.
Never.
Oh,
Can I eat that part?
no. We're not eating right now. We're playing. You can eat pancakes later.
I'm here live with Yasmin Williams. Yasmin, why do you suck at this?
Stop it,
Stop
please.
spitting into my mic.
Please let her focus. So we have pancakes tonight because we
Pancakes.
had dinner breakfast food. Not these ones. These were made for the game. But yeah. Comment down below if you guys ever have breakfast for dinner.
We do a lot.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Not all the time.
Yazzie still has 250 points. Will she make the shot?
Oh, it's
no!
so
She was so close.
Oh, this one's like perfect. So if
Mm-hmm.
you get ruined, I'm gonna kill you.
Let's continue to watch. Oh.
Let's watch the footage of all her fails.
Yay!
She currently has 275.
Ooh,
Will she get to
getting close.
315? in
Will
time?
she catch up to Kai? What did Kai have?
315.
Oh.
I threw like 3 out in the open, so you know.
Woo!
She has. I
Oh,
don't
it's
know.
high.
I suck at math.
No, you don't. You're doing.
Another one.
Oh! Hey, you're in 5th grade and you're doing 7th grade math. You're excellent at math. Oh! Oh, Kai, are you gonna want to redeem yourself in another round?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Another round.
It's not fair.
Ran.
No, and you can do another round too.
Ran 2. I'm obviously gonna win ran 2.
Round 2.
Ran 2. I've invented a new word.
Ran. 2. That counts, right?
Oh, it hopped out.
Alright.
Yeah.
Important interview.
All right, wait. She's got a few more still, and she's already beating Kai.
Important interview.
Uh-huh.
We will be right back after this short commercial break.
I don't.
Why?
What's your commercial?
Huh?
Do it here. Yeah.
Too high.
Oh, slap the chair.
2. I got 2 more.
Oh.
I'm live here with Yasmin Williams, which is currently playing Toss
Oh,
the
I'm dead.
Pancake. Tell me, Yasmin
Okay.
Williams.
Okay, hold on. Let's see
Look
what
how
she
many
got.
I have in
She's got 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What is your secret to success?
She's got 480. Wow.
So I have
All right,
50,
here we go.
100.
You're recording?
Yeah.
Cut this out, alright? And action. Have you ever wanted marshmallows? Well, then get your marshmallows! Marshmallows! Get your Jet Puff marshmallows for 50% off!
Not a sponsor.
Not a sponsor! You can get coupons!
This is the craziest commercial.
Get get them.
Oh, they smell good. You guys smell them?
They're on sale. So get your marshmallows.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. Our announcer's back.
Yes.
He's ready for his round.
It's Kai Williams from Channel 6 News. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and check out my YouTube channels. But right now, I'm gonna be playing.
Let's do this, bro.
Come on, Bubba.
Here he goes. Will he match
Hold
or
on,
beat?
hold on for a second.
Gotta have hot sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Will he match or beat Yasmin's 480? Let's find out.
Can I actually do that at the end, like boom?
Sure.
Right.
You can?
Cut it out though. Cut action. Right. No, you can like. Right. It'll be really awkward if you don't cut this out.
Okay.
And no.
I might do it just to mess with you.
Why?
Oh.
Oh.
15.
No. Oh no. Oh no.
75. Ugh. 75. Nope. Ah! Can you set that up, please?
Let's see what he gets.
What's the bit?
Let's get a close up on his
Oh.
technique.
Oh. 275.
He made it. What do you think about that? Uh-oh.
275, fool.
Oh.
200. What? 315.
Beats me.
315.
Oh, come on.
315.
Nope.
315.
Oh.
Why? What is wrong
Don't.
with you?
Don't. Come on. Don't. Come on. Yes.
At this point, I
Come on, bro.
315.
Look, it's still
Step on your
Hey.
cake. You just wasted the pancake.
no throwing them at the spectator.
All right, now I get to use this one because I think that one I can see.
No. No, he lost again. He's trying to cheat, but cheaters do
Never
not
win.
really win.
Yes, he cheats all the time. In fact, she did cheat.
All right, Yasmin's getting all set up for her game.
She kept on moving the song.
Oh, our announcer is. Oh, I think he may be.
Call the doctor.
Pancake mess all over the floor. We're gonna clean this up.
Okay.
All right. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Let's do it, girl. Here we go.
Nope.
Pancakes and pajamas.
50 points, people. 50 points.
Wait, that's 500 and
No, that's 50 points. Go get him.
in total it's
50
Oh.
points.
No, we're not adding it together. It's separate.
Still 50 points, people. Still
Yasmin
50.
won round 1. Let's see who's gonna win.
Probably
round
me.
2.
She's at a rough start. She's only got 50. She's already wasted like 20 pancakes.
Oh,
Still at 50, people.
focus, focus. There we go.
She's at
Okay.
100, which sucks to be you right now. No.
Oh, has she lost?
this one fell
her skill?
apart.
It's okay.
Push it back.
Oh, another warning.
Another warning.
All day and night.
Nope.
Come on. You got this, girl.
Nope.
Oh. So close. Let's get a close up of the technique. Oh,
What?
all right. Let's see. She's got quite a few left, though. She can still take Kai in this round.
She's at 115, people. 115.
Out of the way, commentator. Oh, there we go. Oh, that one's not worth a whole lot, though, so be careful.
She's got 100 and...
Oh, onto the floor.
She's got 100 and...
Oh,
45.
There we go. She's She's got it back, folks.
195, folks. 195. She's only got 4 more pancakes, though. Will she? No, she's not gonna make it.
So, hold on. Yes, there we go. Uh-oh.
She's not gonna beat me in the second round.
So possible.
She's not gonna beat me.
Oh, how much did you have in the last round, in this round?
Like 330 or...
We'll have to look back at the footage, folks.
100. Wait. 300. 315.
20, 45, 60. 360.
It's easier for Yazzie because she has like more littler hands, and I've never it's hard to throw with big hands.
Good job.
No, we're combining them, so I won.
No, you
I think you might have won that one anyway. I'll have to look back.
If we combined it, then...
Okay, so Yasmin has set up her prize for winning, which is strawberry applesauce and a Jolly Rancher.
It's a cherry.
And Kai's punishment for losing both rounds is to drink this cup of red hot sauce. Not a sponsor. Right, he's getting prepared. He's clearing his palate. He is going to drink this hot sauce. He has accepted the challenge punishment. Can he do it? Comment down below. Pause the video, comment down below if you think he's going to be able to finish that hot sauce.
In this video, at least. It's red hot, so...
Yasmin is enjoying her reward.
Are you going to watch me or eat?
Both.
Come on, dude. Kai, go. Kai, go.
One more sip of water.
He's stalling. Have you guys seen that SpongeBob episode?
He's stalling.
From the movie.
I'm stalling.
You're stalling. No, you're.
What's stalling?
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 Okay, come on. Go, go, go. Oh, oh, he did it, folks. He did it. Oh, he's going back for more. That is some amazing
Oh my gosh.
talent there. Woo!
I'm watering.
Woo! His eyes water. I don't think I could have accepted that challenge.
Oh my gosh.
But he did
Oh my
it.
gosh.
Did you drink a lot of hot? Oh my gosh. It's so hard to talk right now. I can't talk.
Okay, don't talk. Want some milk? Right, he is downing some milk. Woo! He is feeling the effects of the hot sauce.
Oh, that's better. That's better. When you drink a lot of hot sauce, afterwards it's really hard to talk. And it makes you want to cry. Or you don't want to cry. It just makes your eyes water. I can't talk.
It's okay, don't talk. Drink your milk. Good job, dude. That was awesome.
I want to die for that.
Let's do it again.
Oh my gosh.
Let's not.
Yeah, let's not do that.
Well, that was
How many
awesome
seconds
today.
was that?
It was fast.
It was like 5 seconds, dude.
Maybe.